Welcome to Aquaplatacodon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked. Afforestation, the process of planting trees in areas where there were none before, is one of the most effective ways to combat climate change, restore ecosystems, and improve air quality. But how can we spread awareness about its importance? One of the best ways is education and public outreach. Schools, media, and environmental organizations play a key role in explaining why afforestation matters. Social media campaigns, documentaries, and educational programs can help people understand the long-term benefits of planting trees. Community involvement is another powerful tool. Organizing tree planting events, local conservation projects, and volunteer initiatives allows people to take direct action. When individuals actively participate, they are more likely to care about preserving green spaces. Afforestation is particularly beneficial for children and young people. Encouraging tree planting activities in schools not only helps instill environmental responsibility, but also keeps students engaged in meaningful activities. This can be crucial in steering them away from unproductive or negative influences in society. Families often worry about their children picking up bad habits, and engaging them in constructive activities like afforestation helps channel their energy into something beneficial for both their personal growth and the environment. Governments and businesses can also contribute by implementing green policies, urban planning strategies that incorporate more trees, incentives for businesses to support afforestation projects, and legal protections for forests all make a significant impact. At the end of the day, spreading awareness about afforestation isn't just about talking, it's about taking action. Whether through education, community participation, or policy changes, every effort counts toward creating a greener, healthier planet. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Aquaplatacodon. See you in the next one.